Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you how to fix the screen on a PC. I'd like to show you.
I have a big problems. I have a big problems about HDMI 1. Yeah, what I gotta do, let's see here. Yeah, I gotta go to HDMI 1. Yeah, because there's something go wrong with the PC. He won't show up the screen. He won't show up. Okay, if I do that right here, you see, if I do that and move right here, he won't show up the screen. He won't show up. Now, if I press the power, if I press the power right here, this is called power button. If I press right here, now let's see what happened is. Yeah. Well, he won't shut it down. He won't shut it down. Okay, now listen to me, okay? Now, what you do is you see, he won't show up the screen with any PC. Now, what you do, press the see, this is search right here. This is search right here. Press right here and see you press right. See your finger right here. Press right here, just like that, and put the power back on, just like that. See? Now, let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna put up the power back. Turn the monitor on. You see it blinking right here? This is blinking. Now, let's see here. This is a to be take time. Take time, okay? Take time. Okay, it will show up right here. Now, you want you go to a I want you go to a HDMI 1. Now, press, let's see here. Press to say OK. You see a button right here? I'm going to close it up right here. See a button right here? Press right here. And now, this is HB1 looking for a signal. Press see the PC button. There's a B right here. Press that button right here. And now, it will show up. There's a screen right here. Okay. But don't worry. It will show up the screen, yes. And now, it will tell us it's a Windows. Okay. And let me it will be take time. And now I want you go to a to see an arrow. Go right here. Click right here. And now let's see here. with look like a black screen. Oh well, gotta have to working on the updates. I'm gonna be a baby fast forward. Well, it's a reset of the computer. Gonna show up this screen. Just going to turn black. Okay, click right, see right here? Click right here. Now I'm gonna screen this a black. Look at that right here. Look at that. Well, will baby show up right here. Will baby take time. Well, gonna click right here. Should I click right here? The screen is a black. Gotta read, okay? Got to read. Look at that. This is a computer yet. Okay. I tried it. This is a let you. Okay. Are we back right here? Okay. The screen is back. The screen is back, baby. Look at that. Look at that right here. Look at that. The screen is back right here. Let me just show you the
screen is back. The screen is back. Look at that. The screen is back. Look at that. Is this so neat right here? Look at that. Look at that. The screen is back. The screen is back. See that? Well, the screen is back. Well, maybe that's it.